Hey team, this is Erica Dudley, your Snowflake point of contact. So after learning how difficult and time consuming it is for you guys to understand your highly valuable plugin output data set, I was inspired to create this very short video to demonstrate the power of using Snowflake intelligence to interact with this data in natural language. Now, instead of regexing to scrape information together, which I understand is predominantly the process today, I'll demonstrate with some synthetic data that I've generated what life could be like instead. So the first basic question is, give me a detailed overview of data and tables available to me. Okay, I have my agent and extended thinking turned on, and this should return pretty quickly just that baseline understanding of what sort of data I have access to. Great, so it's telling me exactly what it's doing. It looked at the semantic model, and fantastic. So this is loading. I am going to go ahead and think about, after reviewing the type of data that I have, what are some of these higher value questions that I can be asking. So as a product manager, I might want to know something like, and by the way, I hope that these questions are relevant. This is me kind of somewhat guessing based off of the understanding of the data set, but if a scan failed to authenticate, etc., asking this question. And again, a little bit more of a complicated question. And just to reiterate, there are agents working in the background. We have a couple of agents that do this work for intelligence. The first one being Cortex Analyst, which is going to go out and look at your structured data. And then there is Cortex Search, which will look at unstructured data. Great. It's telling me that there are no high severity findings, and there's an analysis methodology that it also renders for us, and then it will provide me with some thoughtful follow-up questions. So let's go ahead and take that last one and copy paste it. And again, we'll do the same thing. It's going to show the SQL as well for anyone technical that wants to take that SQL and check it or use it for that matter. Great. And just think about that. I'm sure many of you who are watching this are already using natural language in other ways in your own lives, but think about, again, having the ability to interact with data quickly to get trusted, meaningful insights back, and analytics and insights back using the data, the highly governed and secure data from Snowflake, or that lives in Snowflake. So this is a more complicated question, as it is analyzing trends. And there we go. Great. It gives us the synopsis down here, recommendations. Okay, it's still going to keep going, but I am going to come up here and explore. And the option to download and so on. But in the spirit of keeping this video as short as possible, just to convey again the ease of interacting with your data versus what the team has to go through today to get answers to these questions. I hope that this conveys just that. So if you think this capability will help you, then let's discuss how to make it happen further with myself and my technical counterpart and others at Tenable.